how meditation can stop us from getting angry. Generally, anger is a completely normal, usually healthy human emotion. But when it gets out of control and turns destructive, it can lead to a variety of problems. Problems at work, in our personal relationships, and in the overall quality of our life. And it can make us feel as though we are at the mercy of a powerful demon. It makes our heart race and our palms sweat. It makes us feel anxious and scared. The cerebral cortex is the thinking part of the brain where logic and judgment resides. It is the outer portion of the brain and is divided into lobes. Think of the cortex as the strategy center of the brain. The emotional center of the brain is the limbic system. Within the limbic system is a small structure called amygdala, a storehouse for emotional memories. It is also the area, the brain responsible for our fight or flight reactions, our natural survival instincts. When someone is experiencing or expressing anger, he or she is not using the thinking part, that is the cortex of the brain, but primarily the limbic system of the brain. When the amygdala is overactive or excited, a large quantity of hormones are released. These causes physical and emotional alarm. A surge of energy follows, preparing the person for fight or flight response. A new study published in the journal titled Consciousness and Cognition suggests that one session of meditation can help reduce our body's response to anger. This study adds to the growing evidence that meditation, both short-term and long-term, can help protect our bodies and mind from the harmful physical stress of anger. Repeated, consistent practice of meditation enhances our ability to cope and sit with negative emotions like anger without reacting. It is possible that people who choose to do meditation long term are more likely to be less reactive in the first place. Through practice, we are able to learn to respond, not react. Meditation not only invites us to witness anger, but also to get to know and make friends with ourselves. It gives us a midpoint between expressing anger and repressing it, a place where we can be aware of our feelings and not be swept away by them. Meditation is not going to make all our challenges go away, but it does enable us to rest in an inclusive acceptance of who we are. Thanks for watching this video.